Good morning, friends. Today's topic is project organization. The project organization is basically a workforce that is working on a certain project. The project organization is temporary and it only exists from the day the project starts until it ends. All the project team and members are coming from different functions with the even management, a regular management accepts and gives freedom to a project staff. They have a temporary assignment. A project staff has a temporary assignment and regular management appoint a project lead or project coordinator or project manager at the temporary assignments. That project manager will be a technical person and he is expert in areas. Temporarily at the project site, a project site may be within the company or outside location. A project manager as well as a project team it is made up of all technical as non-technical teams. A finance team may be there, production team may be there, or a technical team may be there in a project management. The performance evaluation of the project management is based upon the overall performance with the evaluation of the project within a stipulated time. The performance in evaluation of individual working on the project is in the hands of project manager. The project manager having full authority and responsibility of the said project. Independent reviews and independent analysis is done by the mother organization or mother top level managements. If there is no ties between mother organization, then the project management affects a lot. There should be independent autonomy to the project, otherwise functions of project management are not. This is what a project organization. Next, we will learn committee organization. Committee organization is an organization that has been established in many school, colleges, universities, and it is established even in the government sectors. We know that during 1993 blast, there was a bomb blast in Mumbai. A separate committee is appointed by the government to handle that issue. Even if there is a Maratha caste, government has appointed one type of committee and based upon the recommendation of the committee, government takes a decision. So committee organization is nothing but a supportive organization to line and staff organization. There may be a mixture of line and staff organization in a big organization and it is supported by a special appointed committee. Committee is formally set up by the top level management to resolve the issue. Committee has various advantages and they are found a time consuming. Also, the drawback of committee is time consuming. The issue can be solved using committee formation. Main advantage of committee. As project organization is concerned, project organization is big organization handles a project through a remote project with a remote sense. Example, British have ruled upon in a country. India is nothing but their one type of project, and the organization was done India level, and few issues which were solvable were attended by British government. This is what a project and committee organization is. Next part we will study traditional and modern organization in the next lecture. Thank you.